Hey everyone, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you, of course, with this week's new releases. I wonder how many times I've said that. Probably like hundreds, right? So this is the spread for this week. We have the Pop Mystery, which you may recognize. You have two new collections, 3 foil bundles, and then a new monthly kit, some new labels for your kit lineup planning, and then also a new color for the Doodle Bundles. Let's go ahead and get into that first because it is so cute. It's a really pretty yellow, and I am obsessed. Perfect for spring, summer. And this is sold as a bundle. It is on special pricing, and I love these scribblers with the yellow hair. It is just iconic, and this yellow is like phosphorescent and perfect. But yeah, if you buy this from like Wednesday through Sunday, it is on a special pricing, so definitely pick it up then. And yeah, I've been loving being able to have these in stock though, so if like you run out or you notice you want to pick up multiple colors at one time, you totally can, but that is going to be the new color. And this is, I think this is called Lemon. It's kind of hard to read, the yellow on the white. Actually, I feel like it's easier to read like on camera than it is in real life, but Lemon. Then we have the new like kit labels, and I put up a poll, and it was basically a 50-50 split on which y'all like better. So I'm gonna put these both up. They're the same exact like weeks. This is just in like a black label, and this is a marble label. So we'll see which one sells better, and then I'll just continue doing whichever one sells better for the future. But yeah, I like this one a lot. I think it looks really nice and clean, easy to read. But this one is very like OG vibes. So I'm going to put up both of them, like I said, on Wednesday. This is going to be like November 2024 through April 2025. We like planning ahead. It's again, same dates on both sheets, but I'll put up both of them so you can show me which one you like more. The next thing we have here is a new monthly kit. This is actually art that I didn't use for a like weekly kit. I just really liked it. It's by Bloomsicle. And this is the, oopsies, sorry. I also forgot to put the names on them, so, just living my best life over here, so it just has an X. But I don't actually remember what it was called. I think it was like Princess Academia or Princess Bookshop or something. I don't know. It'll be in the new releases section, but I am obsessed with this. I think it turned out so stinking cute. Also, don't forget that last week we did come out with those date strips, and I'll leave those in the new release section too. So if you don't want it to say Sunday through Saturday, you can change it with these date strips that I came out with. But I'll go ahead and flip through these real quick. There is also the add-ons for those. If you want to do the sidebar with the Ombre Heart checklist, you can add those on, of course. Let's go ahead and open up this one first. So this is the like Aura Estelle A5 wide print impression sizing. So you have the bar here, and then these are cut into boxes. So it's like a seamless look if you want to have that on both parts. You have some kind of like smaller than the width boxes. The other sidebar, 2 full boxes, 4 kind of like quarter size boxes, some little things, more little things, some patterned boxes, 3 glitter headers for the sidebar, stackable sidebar here with the full boxes, and then the freebie in both of the kits is the same. It has the payday and then extra flags along with date numbers, so you can switch those out, and if you use the strips, you can change the dates accordingly as well. Obviously, you can also pull in like foil numbers. You can leave them as is, but that's just like a nice little thing to have in there because I know a lot of y'all do like the little date number covers, especially in the monthly. Like in the weekly, I don't have them in there because I feel like it's always going to be wasting like 3/4 of them. But in here, you would use all of them if you did use them. So again, same thing here. There's like one tall strip on the top, and then the other ones are cut into boxes. Then you have, again, the strip, 2 boxes, 4 of those, some like chunkier little things. These are actually skinnier little things. It all just depended on the room I had. Stackable sidebar with the glitter headers, and then the patterned labels. Again, if you want to do the Ombre Art checklist, that's just an add-on. You have the date numbers is exactly the same, like same file and everything for both. The like Erin Condren sizing, which that's what this is. I believe also the Crest Press inserts are also the Erin Condren sizing. So if you use those, this would be the kit for you. But I think that turned out really, really pretty. And also don't forget, in shop, I did actually bring some of these home. We do have like monthly labels you can toss on here. So cute. Or you can put it on the other side too, whichever side you want to do. December, whatever. So we do sell those as well. I should probably order them in Sparkly Hollow. Probably should. Then I do have 3 foil bundles for y'all. These are all in the Groovy pattern. Just bulk doing these because I have a lot of foil bundles to release that are already collated. And then Kirsten just got another foil order in yesterday to like divvy up and collate. Lots of fun stuff coming. So I need to make some room. So we're releasing 3. We released 4 last week and 3 the week before, something like that. That will be in Champagne Lights, Lavender Hollow, and Sparkly Hollow. And as per always, when these are released, they will be like 30-ish% off from Wednesday through Sunday. And these are so fun. I love this groovy vibes. And I think that these, especially like in the more core colors, and this is like core fun. I still think that this is like a core. It's great to like pick pieces out and mix them with other things. So maybe you want, instead of it to be like full blown groovy, you can kind of like minimize it down a little bit with maybe just, you know, taking these out and then doing like regular bougie, or you can use these like separately, or you could change up the headers or whatever, and you probably have some Champagne Lights lying around to do so, or you could go full on groovy. So you have your 6 full boxes here, and then you do have your like flower header overlays, 2 pages of those, 2 pages of the wavy checkered boxes, which are so stinking cute, perfect size. And then you have your icons and scripts, the newer version, as well as the bottom washi, date numbers, deco, and the fancy headers, which are very cute with those flowers. If you don't use those fancy headers, you could always like cut them up, which sometimes I do if I want a little bit more deco, or you could even use them as like little thing icons throughout the week. Like let's say you put meals in or something, you could always like take those and just like cut them and use them as little thing icons or as extra deco. Just a little something I've been thinking about recently, especially because I've been putting in my meals recently. Yeah, it's a good icon to use. But we have Lavender Hollow, Sparkly Hollow, and Champagne Lights. And I believe we have the other core foils already in, and maybe 2 other foils. So lots of groovy to go around. And I think I have like at least 5 more to release in the groovy situation. Next, let's go into the kits, of course. We do have this here, which is Secret Garden, and this is in the Ultimate kit that I'm showing you in, but all kits this week do come in Ultimate and Mini. This is a perfect spring-summer set, gardening vibes, basically, like backyard, kind of hanging out, having a little bit of a snack, gardening, chilling, all the vibes. I love these colors though. They're really pretty. They kind of remind me of like vintagey colors, but still like kind of like almost like a vintage retro right in the middle of those. But I just think they're so cute, and I love the patterns this artist does. I think that they're so fun, and the florals are so pretty, but I love this yellow specifically. Ugh, so good. And I love the little bees throughout. And then the freebie in the Ultimate and the Mini is some more fashion options to switch out if you would like. So that, my friends, is Secret Garden. And like I said, it also does come in a mini kit, as do all of the kits this week. So we have the Ultimate there, and then we have the Mini. And let me show you the add-on options. So you do have Doodle 1, you have Doodle 2, as well as the label sampler. And then there is label 2, which is a really pretty peach, as well as label 3, which is a darker green, kind of depending on the vibes you're going for. And I love the new label sampler. I'm like obsessed with it. The symmetry, perfection. We also have the ombre heart checklist. There is the pattern box, which are so cute. Like, I love this pattern so much. I think it's so cute. It looks like elbow macaroni. And then also there is, of course, all 6 scribbler options as well. So you have lots of things to add on if you'd like. But of course, I feel like the Ultimate kit has a ton in there, so you got options. So it's Secret Garden. The next kit here is called Moving Time. This art is so stinking cute, and I have no intentions of moving anytime soon. So I told Hannah that whenever she moves this year, I am going to be using this for her moving, because I just think it's such a cute kit and I want to use it. And if she wouldn't be moving, I would like it. If she doesn't, I'm gonna probably just use it because I just think it's so cute, and just like, I don't know, maybe I'll pack a box and unpack it. I don't know. I just am obsessed with this art. I love the colors. I love this box in particular. I'm obsessed. I love it with the kids in it too. You'll see that in the fan boxes, but I just love this. I love like it's empty, and then you have like the moving. Also, where is it? You have the apartment kind of vibes, but honestly, this also could just be like moving, like in general. Like I don't, if you like the house and you're moving to an apartment, I don't think it matters, you know what I'm saying? So, but I think both of them are really cute. You could even use like part of each box. Like if you're moving from a house to an apartment or moving from a house to an apartment, you know what I'm saying? I think it'd be cute. But I love it. I'm obsessed. It's like annoying how cute it is. The freebie and the ultimate and mini is the different skin tones for this. And I love that the shirts are also different colors. I think that's always fun. But yeah, obsessed with the colors. I think they're so stinking cute. It's like a little baby mini rainbow, and I think that's adorable. I love these patterns. I think the groovy bun would also look really cute with this. I might actually do that just because I think it would be so fun. And I think actually all 3 of these would look cute with this. Like, I think it looks cute. I think it looks cute. I think it looks cute. I feel like honestly, maybe even like mixing these 2 together would be fun, or just doing the sparkly hollow, but I think that might be the energy that we're going to be going for with this one. Little things page, labels, solid labels, bottom washi with the wood is so fun. Love these date covers. Little box there. Again, freebie and ultimate mini is the same. But yeah, I'm obsessed with it. I just think it's such a vibe. I feel like you could also, like, depending on how you use the boxes, I feel like you could also use it for like a cleaning and decluttering week. Honestly, I think that like, I feel like you could. Do you know what I mean? I feel like you really could. Depending like how you're using it, you could use it. Or if you're having a garage sale or cleaning and decluttering. I think you could. With the amount of boxes that there are with the fams and stuff, I feel like you really could. So maybe I'll do it for that. I don't know, but I'm using it. So we have Doodle 1, Doodle 2, and then we also, we got a lot stack here. We have, oh my god, so much stuff. Hold please. We have Label. This is a lot of extras, okay. Label 2 is this really pretty, it's like a lighter, like lilac-y pink color. Ombre, you have the pattern boxes, which again, if you have the pattern boxes in a fam, you could 100% make this as a cleaning or a decluttering kit. Some quotes or something. It's cute. Okay, and then we also do have Fashion 1. Cute with the keys and also just the door with the bow. I think that's cute. And then Fashion 2, which is kind of like the couples kind of vibe. So you have like the 2 sets of feet with the keys. This must be the place. The little champagne kind of celebrating, you know. And then we also do have the Scribblers, of course. So we have all 6 of those. I think there's like 20-ish or maybe more add-ons. And then we also do have the all 6 of the fams. So like cute, right? Like I feel like this could just be like going to get flowers and coffee, and then you have your kids just like helping you declutter or something. I think it could work. Or redecorating. Again, donating stuff. I feel like it could work for both. I can convince myself of basically anything though, for being honest. So stinking cute. And again, I love these kids. I think it's so cute. I love the little pop of orange with the basketball over there. Adorable. So that's everything besides the pop mystery. So if you don't want to see the pop mystery, thank you so much for watching. If you do, I'm going to give you the flyby. Even though I feel like you got basically a sneak in the beginning one, but there's your flyby. Okay, so this colorway has, I requested it when I got the other one as well. And there is also another kit that was like super popular that I also have a pastel colorway of. Some of you may know what it is. If you know, put it in the comments down below. But this one here was probably one of the top 5 best-selling pop mysteries of all time. And I have 2 more pop mysteries like that I think are also going to like probably scooch some of those over in being in the top 5 coming soon. And the Aristocats also was like pretty high up there, but we got some Pastel Mario. How cute is this? It's adorable. I think like it's so fun in the bright colors, but it's like so cute in pastel. Honestly, like this would have been a cute like Easter kit. I just think it's adorable. I feel like their little like toads like heads look like little Easter eggs, and I just am obsessed with this. I think it looks so cute. I did change up the boxes a little bit just to kind of give it a little bit of different vibe. Honestly, I don't really know how much I changed up the boxes, because if I'm doing something like this where it's like kind of like a reformat, I try not to look at the other full boxes and try and just like, okay, vibes. Let's like try and think like how we could switch it up. But yeah, super stinking cute. I love the colors and how they turned out. Ugh, it's just so cute. So you have the kind of the same colors, but they're just pastelified, you know what I'm saying? And I was thinking like peach obviously has to be the tall box. If we're doing like a pastel Mario was in the full box before, but peach is going to be the tall box over there. So cute, so cute. And then you have Bowser over there. He's a turd, but you know, you gotta have him. Adorable. I love it. It's so cute. I think I'm going to use this in June. I was talking to Kitness Jess about like, we were talking about like just kits we were using or something. And she's like, oh yeah, I'm going to use the like artist mystery in June because of the green. I'm like, oh, but also it's like kind of rainbowy for Pride. And then I was like, wait, I'm going to use that then. That's a good idea. And then I was like, oh, there'll be a Pride kit. And then I was like, what other kit did I say I could use in June? Hold on, let me check my situation. And then I was like, oh, I could use, okay, I don't want to spoil it in case you don't want to know. The April mystery is kind of like rainbow kind of vibes, right? And then I was like, okay, like I only need one more kit. And I was like, maybe I'll just use this like as my like fourth like rainbow-y kit in June. I don't know. I think it'd be cute, right? Doodle 2. You also do have label as well as label 2 and label 3. So you got like a little rainbow moment going there, which is adorable. That's what we like to see. And then we have the ombre, and then we have the pattern box, which I do have like the scenes in there as well, but I think this is really cute. More boxes, more fun. And then you do also have, of course, the scribblers as well. And that, my friends, is literally everything for the week. This week, Pop Mysteries are only available from Wednesday at noon Eastern through Sunday. So if you want this Pastel Mario, I would definitely get your hands on it, because if it does come back in the future, it will not have add-ons. So if you are thinking that you might want more than one, but you don't want to pick up more than one right now, pick up some add-ons, because those will not be coming back. But I hope to do another like Pop Mystery kind of event probably in the summer, question mark, so that there is enough time in between, also enough new to add, you know, so. But we do not put the add-ons up for those. But that, my friends, is everything for this week. I'm so glad that y'all loved the mystery. It definitely was like a little bit of a like more niche, I guess. It's like very anytime, because we all go to the grocery store, right? Or you do pick up. We've all been to a grocery store. But it was a little bit more niche. So I always get a little nervous, because I feel like with mystery, I really dance upon a line of like, I want it to be something that's like fun and exciting and new, but I also want it to be something that like you can use and you're not looking at like, Andrea, like, what am I supposed to do with this? But I feel like the grocery store was definitely dancing on the line, but I think that y'all loved it. So very excited about that. And I appreciate you, and I'll talk to you in my next one.